That's kinematics, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, and vectors. So I'm choosing few questions from previous JEE mains from 2024, 2023, mostly concentrating on 2022, 2023, 2024. Okay, the first question is here on the display. So the relation between time t and distance x, t is equals to given, t is equals to ax square, t is equals to ax square. This is the question. T is equals to ax square. A means it's alpha, you check it as this. T is equals to alpha x square plus beta x. Okay, this is given. Is asking about alpha and beta are the constants. Find the relation between acceleration and velocity. Relation between acceleration and velocity. So first one, first differentiation of this position will get the velocity, and the next second differentiation gives what? Acceleration. So first you can do the differentiation. D by dt times of t is equals to d by dt times of alpha x square plus d by dt times of beta x. So now dt by dt is 1 is equals to alpha, it's a 2x. X differentiation of x is what? Dx by dt plus beta dx by dt. 1 is equals to 2 alpha x, dx by dt is what? Velocity. Beta dx by dt is what? Velocity. Yes. So now 1 is equals to v times of 2 alpha x plus beta into what? V. So from here 1 by v is equals to 2 alpha x plus beta. This is the relation. So is what? It's a 1 by v. Next one, I am going for the next second differentiation. For the second differentiation, so first we need to choose. I need to choose from this one. This is what? 1 is equals to, it's a v times of, so 2 alpha x. So directly I am writing this is, so from this equation 1 is equals to 2 alpha x v plus beta v. So one thing you need to remember, xv differentiation of d by dx of u into v, uv dash plus v u dash. So this is equals to d by dt times of, it's a 1 is equals to, so d by dt times of 2 alpha xv plus d by dt times of what? It's a beta v. So you can check this for the differentiation. I have taken as d by dt of this plus d by dt of bv. Okay, so d by dt of one constant is what? 0 is equals to d by dt means what? It's a 2 alpha as it is written. Differentiation of uv dash plus vu dash x into dv by dt plus v into, it's a dx by dt. So this plus beta into dv by dt. Now here 0 is equals to 2 alpha x into dv by dt is what? Acceleration. Dx by dt is what? Velocity. So it's a acceleration plus v into v square plus beta, it's a dv by dt is what? Acceleration. Yes. So this 0 is equals to 2 alpha x a plus 2 alpha v square plus beta a. Okay, so from this you bring out a from this is what? Here a and here also a. So minus 2 alpha v square is equals to, minus 2 alpha v square is equals to 2 alpha x plus beta times of what? It's a acceleration. Then acceleration a is equals to minus 2 alpha v square by, so then what? 2 alpha x plus beta. So this would be what? minus 2 alpha v square into 1 by 2 alpha x, 1 by means what, 1 by v equal to 2 alpha x plus beta, 2 alpha x plus beta is equals to what, 1 by, so this is what, 1 by is here, so we can write it as v, it will become as minus 2 alpha v cube. So the answer is option A. What? Equal magnitudes of two vectors are inclined with an angle theta. Okay, so which of the following is correct? So equal magnitudes of two vectors, for example, just I'm taking about this a bar, magnitude of a bar is equals to magnitude of b bar is equals to magnitude of r, like you take it as. This is given. Now we can choose about the possibilities are what? Magnitude of a bar minus b bar is equals to, and magnitude of a bar plus b bar is equals to what? So first I'm checking on this. This is magnitude of a bar plus b bar is equals to, a bar plus b bar is equals to under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, so this is equals to under root of, it's a r square plus 2r square cos theta. This is equals to square root of 2r square plus 2r square cos theta. This is equals to under root of 2r square is common, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, do you know the thing? 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. So just you keep it in the mind for the problem solving. These are the two formulae. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So now we are substituting on this. This is equals to square root of 2r square times 1 plus cos theta is what? 2 cos square theta by 2. This will be what? It's a 2r cos theta by 2. 2r cos theta by 2. So answer is C. A vector has magnitude same as that of this, same as that of first vector. Okay, so this is the here the magnitude of this parallel to another vector. You know one thing, when two vectors are parallel to one another, so one vector is some scalar multiple of another vector. It means new vector is equals to new vector n bar is equals to. So this become as what? Its magnitude of which one? First vector times of what is that? This is the unit vector of b. So this is equals to, what is the magnitude of this? So it become as under root of this 3 square plus 4 square. So would become as what is it? It's a 9 plus 16. This is 5. So 5 times of, so it's what? 4i cap plus 3j cap. Okay, so this become as what? Ax. This become as what is it? It's a ay. So something scalar multiple of another vector, when two vectors are parallel, scalar multiple of another vector, so is the condition. So then the answer is, what is asking about the first quadrants of x and 3 respectively. So first quadrants are x and 3. What is x is asking? So what is the x here? X is equals to what? It's a 4 is the answer. So a body of mass is m. Okay, the body of mass is m, and with a speed is u. Its projected with a speed is u, which is making an angle theta 45 degrees with the ground. The angular momentum, so about the point of projection. So this is first one, projectile motion. Okay, so from here body projected, which is making an angle 45 degrees. So its motion will be like this. This is x and y. So at the highest point, what is the angular momentum? Well, what is the formula for angular momentum? Angular momentum is moment of linear momentum. It means what you say, it's a L is equals to MVR. R is what, it's a perpendicular distance. L is equals to M into, what is the velocity at this point? It's a U cos theta. So this will become as what you say, it's a U cos theta. Into perpendicular distance is what? This. What is this? It's a H. Okay. So H is equals to U square sin square theta by what? It's a 2G. So this is what? M U cos theta into H means what? U square sin square theta by what? It's a 2G. So next we can write on this. Here L is equals to, okay, it's what? M as it is. Next one, U and U square, it become as U cube. Next, sin theta cos theta. Cos theta is what you say, it's a 45 degrees. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 is also 45 degrees. So this is 1 by root 2 into, again 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2G. Okay. This L is equals to MU cube by 2 to the 4 root 2G. Okay, this is what? Angular momentum. So it's asking us this root 2 mu cube by xg. So this is equals to what is given? Root 2 mu cube by xg. Okay, so just go for the simplification. Here g and g cancels. Okay, m and m cancel, u cube that cancel. Then what is it? It's here 1 by 4 root 2 is equals to 1 by 4 root 2 is equals to root 2 by x. Okay, so this x is equals to what? 4 root 2 into root 2. What happens? X is equals to 8. Your answer is what? It's a 8. Done. The particle moving on dimensions means what? It's a differentiation, means some position vector is given. He's asking velocity and acceleration things. Okay, let us see this. So first one, what the position is given? X is equals to 3t cube plus 18t square plus 16t. Okay, first you differentiate, you will get the velocity. He's asking the velocity of the particle when acceleration is 0. Okay, so first one you can find the velocity. V is equals to what? 3 into what you say? It's a 3t square plus 18. Differentiation of t square is what? 2t plus 16. Differentiation of t is what? It's a 1. V is equals to, it's a 9t square plus 18 2s are 36t plus it's a 16. This is what? Velocity. Is asking velocity when acceleration is 0. Again go for the differentiation. Acceleration A is equals to dv by dt. So this is equals to, again differentiate, 9 into 2t plus 36. So differentiation of t is what? It's a 1 plus 0. So this A is equals to 0. It's a 18t plus 36. So wait, 36, 18t plus 36. So this, in the question there is little printing mistake here. This is minus, it should be minus, okay. So these are the minus. So minus means it become as what? 18t is equals to what? 36. Then t is equals to what? 36 by 18. T is equals to 2 seconds. When t is equals to 2 seconds, what is the velocity? Now the velocity v is equals to, okay, minus 9. T means what? It's a 2 square plus 36 2 plus 16. Okay, minus 9, it's a 4 plus 36 into 2 plus 16. Okay, so minus 36 plus 36 into 2 plus 16. 36 is common, minus 1 plus 2 plus 16. So this is what? 36 plus 16. The answer is what you say? It's a 52 meter per second. So your answer is what? It's a 52. But displacement and the increase in velocity This is increase in velocity of moving particle in a time t, to t plus 1. This is t to t plus 1. From t to t plus 1 seconds, the distance traveled s is equals to what you have, 125 meter. And velocity changes. The change in velocity is what? Delta v is equals to 50 meter per second. So we need to calculate the acceleration. So what is the acceleration? Acceleration A is equals to delta v by delta t. So what is delta v? It's a 50. And t to t plus 1 means what is the time interval? 1. So it's a 50 meter per second square. So this is what? Acceleration. Next part. So what is asking, you see this one. Here t to t plus 1, in t plus 1 second, what is the distance traveled here? 125. In t plus 2th second, what is the distance traveled is the question. Okay. So now we can take it. Yeah. So from first one, distance traveled by the particle in the nth second, Sn is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. My st plus 1 is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2 into t plus 1 minus 1. It's a u plus a means what? 50 by 2 into 2t plus 2 minus 1. So this is u. So plus what? 50 by 2 means what is it? It's a 25. Okay. This is what? It's a 25. 25 into 2t plus 1. So this st plus 1 is given as what? It's a 125. 125 is equals to u plus 50t plus 25. Okay. So now finally we can get it as u plus 50t is equals to what? 25 transposes 125 minus 25 is what? 100 is my first equation. Next, what is asking from this relation? Is asking about st plus 2. St plus 2 is equals to u plus a by 2 into, so 2n minus 1, 2 into t plus 2, okay, minus 1. But this is equals to u plus, it's a 50 by 2 into 2t plus 4 minus 1. So this is u plus 25, 2t plus 3, okay. So this is equals to u plus 50t plus 25 3s are 75. So this is s t plus 2. So distance traveled in a t plus 2 at the second is equals to u plus 50t is what? 100. 100 plus 75 is, so 175 meter is the answer. C is a small printing mistake. Let us correct this. So first one, v is equals to 4 root x meter per second is the question. The acceleration of particle, acceleration is asking. Acceleration A is equals to what? dv by dt as a function of time. A is equals to v into dv by dx as a function of what? It's a position. So our question is with the as a function of position. V means A is equals to, I'm writing as v into dv by dx. Okay. So first A as it is I'm writing, otherwise you can find about what is the dv by dx. But dv by dx is equals to d by dx times of 4 into x power 1 by 2. This is 4 into 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, it's a 2 by root x. Okay. So now we can move on this. A is equals to what is given? 4 root x into dv by dx is given is what? 2 by root x. So your answer is what? 8 meter per second square. It's based on just vectorial conditions. Some two forces are given, F1 bar and F2 bar. Acceleration of acting on the body. What is the acceleration? This here, first one. What is the mass of the body? 4 kg. Next one. Net force is equals to F1 bar plus F2 bar. So this 5 plus 3. Okay. It's a 8 I cap plus 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 4 J cap. 7 minus 3, 4 K cap. Okay. F means what? M into A. M is what? 4 into A is equals to 4 times of 2 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. So it's a 4 and 4 cancel. A is equals to 2 I cap plus it's a J cap plus K cap meter per second square. So this is our answer. So the option C, it's a printing mistake. It's a K cap. So the answer is 2I cap plus J cap plus K cap. The body starts falling freely from a height h. Hits an inclined plane at a height h. The result of this perfectly elastic impact, so the direction of velocity of the body becomes horizontal. Okay, so he's asking about what is capital H by small h. So let us take, this is inclined plane. Okay, on this inclined plane, so ball is dropped. Dropped means what? Initial velocity u is equals to 0. Okay, it's what? Like this downward direction. Let it be its height is what? Total height from here is what you say? It's a capital letter H. Okay, so now this height is given as small h. This will be what you say? It's a h minus h. Okay, here is the h minus h. Now the question is, what is asking? After this, the ball becomes horizontal. Horizontal means what? It goes into the projectile case. Okay, it's a projectile which makes an angle theta with this. So what is the total time of flight? Total time of flight is equals to total time of flight. Total time of flight is equals to T. T is equals to, this is what? Under root of 2 times of h minus h by g. Okay, this part. And next one, this is under root of 2h minus h by g and plus, so this is what is here, so this is 2h by g. Yes, this is what actual situation. Now he is asking for the maximum time. Maxima and minima, we should make it as first differentiation must be is equals to 0. It means dt by dh is equals to what? 0. It means what? Okay, so just I'm talking about t, just simply I'm writing as t is equals to under root of 2 by g is common. Okay, under root of 2 by g is common. So what we have? Root h minus h. Okay, plus next root h. This is the case. Now I am finding dt by dh, then after getting this one I need to substitute dt by dh, in place of dt by dh is what? 0. So dt by dh is equals to square root of 2 by g. Yes, so root under root of h minus h. H minus h means what? Root x. Root x means what you say? X to the power of 1 by 2 will become as what? 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. What happened? 1 by 2. So 1 by root x. Okay, root x value 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so this is what? 1 by 2 root h minus h. Okay, x. Okay, and differentiation of this is what? It's a constant. This differentiation is what? 1. It's a minus 1 plus next one. This is 1 by 2 root h. Again differentiation of h is what? It's a 1. Yes, so this term is 0, means this will be 0, is equals to minus 1 by 2 root h minus h. Okay, plus 1 by 2 root h. Okay. So from here 1 by 2 root h minus h is equals to 1 by 2 root h. Okay. So go for cross multiplication. Then what happened? 2 and 2 cancel. Then so root cancel. H minus h is equals to what? H. H is equals to what you say? It's a 2h. What is asking? H by h. H by h is equals to what? The answer is 2.